paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, pero never ko talagang in-imagine yung sarili ko makakapagsulat ako ng kanta. Pero, wow, nagawa ko. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat ng prayers ko natutupad. Siyempre, personally, madami pa akong dreams na gusto ma-achieve. Ang dami ko pang gustong maabot and ang dami ko pa talagang gustong gawin. Day by day, I tell myself na maybe it's not for me now, but hopefully maybe in the future it is. You know, and I think what's really meant for you will find you naman. Everything will fall accordingly, according to God's plans. Dreaming doesn't come with age. Whether you're 5, like me before, was just dreaming or singing in the karaoke, or 22 like me now, or let's say 50 years from now, 50-year-old Belle, I'd still be dreaming. So dreaming doesn't come with any age. If you put your heart and mind in it, you're capable of so many things. And it will never be too late for you to dream. It will never be too early for you to dream. Not everything you want, you'll get. But don't forget that you'll get something better than you want. Because I think that's the truth when it comes to dreaming and life, na parang what's meant for you naman talaga what you want sometimes isn't what's meant for you. And then along the way, you'll discover that what came to you is actually greater than what you wanted.
Hugis ng pananabik ang namumula-kalat sa panimula ng isang panahon kung saan nais kong umalis. Ibig kong maibalik lahat ng pangako at muling-muling ang ating pagsama noong malamig ang gabi. Paano naman ako? Lahat ay sinugal para dito. Di ko na kayang ika'y antayin sa aking pag-alisan na ipaumanhin. Ang dilim sa balete, sana yung makita na ako'y di natala sa bugambilya. Ako'y di nalasa, tabing dagat ng halika ng alon, aking mga paa at muling bumalik sa hilingan hanap ng ibig. Sa aking pagkayo'y ako'y napatag sa piling ng ngayon kung saan nalilimutan lahat ng sakit tuwing kabasa ang araw. Paano naman ito? Wala nang ipapabalik para dito. Malaki ang hakbang ng aking pagpasya. Pangako hindi ka naluluha pa. Ako na ang bahala sa iyong pagkalaya. Yan ang sabi sa akin ng bugambilya. Kala nyo kakantayin ko na, no? Kala nyo? hindi. I told you last time na may involved kayo, di ba? So we're gonna sing this part 3 times. Kaya nyo ba yon? 3 times? Alam nyo ba tong bridge? Sabayan nyo ako, ha? Mary had a lover then he went out to sail again. And when he left to dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. She no longer wants to stay. Girls like her wait in the dark for someone who will save. Isa pa! Louder! Mary had a lover then. Go kayo! Louder! When he left to dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. Mary wants to run away. She no longer wants to stay. May isa pa guys, kailangan natin mas malakas, mas powerful! Come on! Mary had a lover then. We went out to sail again. When he left the dead and gone, she had nothing to hold on. Kaya! She no longer wants to stay. Girls like her waiting in the dark for someone who will save her heart. I love you guys. Hugis ng pananabig ang namumulaklak sa panimula ng isang panahon. Sa nais ko umalis. Thank you very much! Grabe! Grabe! Wow! Wait lang. Alam niyo ba gano'n namin katagal pre-nap yan? Thank you so much for participating. Maraming salamat. I love you all and thank you so much for believing that I can achieve great things. Thank you so much and thank you because you helped me make my dreams come true. You asked me what my birthday wish was. Well, this is it! Guys, tinutupad niyo! Grabe kayo, Belle, the music artist will always be grateful for the love and support and I will always be happy to perform for all of you. Kahit anong stage man yan! And of course, thank you to all the brands who believed in me. Thank you to Pond's, Close-Up, and Sunsilk. To all of you, please believe in the power of your dreams. Dahil kung kaya ko, kaya nyo rin. And just when you thought na tapos na tayo, I have one more surprise for you. This is Believe, my very own birthday concert. every day, in every possible way. All my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems. I know I felt like this before, but now I'm feeling it even more, because it came from you. And then I open up and see the person falling here is me, a different way to be. Possible not to do. And now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me. What I couldn't find, a totally amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me. All my life is changing every day, in every possible way. All my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, 'cause you're a dream to me.